the frosting, just drizzle the frosting all over. Give it that yummy goodness. Hello, today I'm making 2-ingredient apple pie bowls. All you need is a can of cinnamon rolls and apple pie filling. These are so yummy, delicious, and super easy to make. Now, what you're going to do first is spray your muffin tin. Now, first you're going to take each of your cinnamon rolls and smash them out. Don't even need a rolling pin for this. If they fall apart, just roll them back up. Next, we're going to take our apple pie filling and we're going to cut it with a knife in the can just to get the apple pieces a little bit smaller. Now, if you want, you can add optional ingredients of a little bit of butter and extra cinnamon and sugar or nutmeg, whatever flavorings you would like. This has enough cinnamon with the cinnamon rolls that I think we're good, but the butter does add an extra little flavor, so if you want, you can do that. And save your frosting packet. Okay, so now we're going to push each one of these into their little muffin cups. Then you're going to take your apple pie filling. You're going to fill each cavity. You need to put these in the oven at 400 degrees for a regular pan or 375 for a dark plant pan like I have here for 15 to 17 minutes. Okay, now we have our delicious apple pie bowls. Look at those. Oh, doesn't that look yummy? Okay, I totally forgot to add the frosting. Just drizzle the frosting all over. Give it that yummy goodness. The recipe is in the description below at livingonadime.com. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now.